Hi everyone, and welcome to this video. I hope it provides something useful for you. The video that I did put together is solely my experience and my opinion of the great value of this product and the customer service that I received from Shox. At order, I was advised that the build time would be approximately 1 to 2 weeks for my custom shocks. The time frame was met in a 1-week time frame. My custom shocks were shipped on August 5th, and I received them in Canada from the United States on August 12th. Amazing. Now, before I get to the install portion of my video, I was really debating between Shox and the Legend Revo A's, which is another really well-reputed shock. And I opted for the Shox. Ultimately, my decision was based on two reasons. One, I wanted to slightly lower my stance without giving up on shock travel, and the Shox clearly won in this category. Secondly, having an easily identifiable shock hand adjustment really ultimately sold me on the Shox. Secure it finger tight only. So, word of caution, when torquing the nuts onto the bolts, I would highly recommend you follow Brian's supplied instructions for your custom Shox, and do not over tighten the nuts, especially the point where the lower shock attaches to the relocation mount. Guess who had to get a replacement bolt and nut for one side after over torquing? So I wanted to thank Brian and his wife for their patience with my inquiries, emails and telephone calls, and after service support. We absolutely love these shocks, and hoping you found this video helpful.